What if I told you there's a free way that you can get leads for your real estate business that your competition has no idea about? Let me show you. All right, so look, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to get some free leads, okay? So this is a quick video. Back when I got started driving for dollars, which is a great way to get started. You're looking for beat up houses, ugly houses, houses tow up, write down the addresses, send them a mail piece or skip trace. Great way. That's how I got started. And then once I got money, I started marketing to these free leads right here. This is not applicable to every city, okay? Some cities, this information is gonna be easy to access. Some places, they might make you pay for it. Some places, you can't get access to it. So for example, in Charlotte, I cannot get the water shutoff list. That means the list that they're living in the property, but they don't have water. I can't get that in Charlotte. However, up the road, I was advised people in Winston-Salem, shout out to my man Max, they can get the water shutoff list and start marketing to them. All right, so listen, but this is what I'm gonna show y'all. Hopefully everybody should be able to get this. All right, now first list is going to be code enforcement. Code enforcement are people who have violations on their property. So for example, let me give you an example of a code enforcement violation that you guys may not know of. A tenant moves in the property, doesn't want to pay you, break things, and then calls the city, and then the city writes you up for all these things that they broke, and they say, well, this is how the old homeowner did me. And now the homeowner has to fix those items up. And the homeowner may be a burnt out landlord, like, man, I'm tired of renting houses. This is not for me. I just want to sell this property. It also can be when you have tall grass, the city will send somebody out there to cut your grass. Those grass people normally are not as motivated. Also, it can be people who have a hole in their roof. They have a blue tarp. They're living there. They don't have money to fix the house, or the house has a broken window or such. What you're going to do, code enforcement violation list, Charlotte, North Carolina. So of course you will put in your city, all right? So then I will go here, all right? And I can go here to search this information, right? This is public information. So all this information is online. So you can download this list. Now, they give you some of the complaints. Fire. Of course, you know, those people may be motivated or may not be motivated. So what I want you to do, right? I want you to Google code enforcement violation list, your city. All right, I want you to see if y'all got it online. Most major cities will have this information online. Okay, what is another one? Let's do another one. Charlotte tax delinquent list. I want you to Google your city tax delinquent list. Your city tax delinquent list. All right, so you will do this. You can do the business or the individual. It doesn't matter. Charlotte makes it easy, whereas you can just download the information. Listen, for all my Excel people, y'all know y'all can copy, paste this, put it in an Excel, have people skip trace these people. All right, these are 2 free ways that you can get lists to go after in your particular markets. All right, you can skip trace these, start calling, texting, etc. Now, if you can't find it online, what you might want to do is you want to call your code enforcement office in your city. All right, you will call them and you will say, hey, listen, I'm looking for the list of people who, when they have tall grasses, they have a broken window, the city sends them information like, hey, we're going to fine you if you don't fix this or cut this grass. Do you have that somewhere online? I want to help out the community, see if I can buy the houses and fix them up. You want to break it down, all right? Tax delinquent should be online in most places because normally you have tax auctions, the deed auctions or certificate auctions, however you want to call them, you have those. So that information should be online, all right, with the tax. So that should be easier to find. But these are free ways. Now, guys, if you are looking for free ways to come, once they call you back, to compel, to have this data, to put it in one place, all right? You have the data in one place. Now you can call them back and follow up. So you need a free real estate investing CRM, 100% free. Hey, watch this video next to me because I'm going to walk you through how to make sure this is 100% free for you. Hey, listen, I am Nasser, AKA the real estate guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a doer because I actually do this business. Peace.